It was only a couple of days after I finished recording my video on how to build Wordle in Excel that I then saw a video by Bill Jelen, Mr. Excel, on how to solve Wordle puzzles using Excel. So here's my challenge to you, Bill. Try and solve these couple of words, I've got 3 built in here for you, using your tool. And the words are all Excel functions. So let's have a quick guess. I'll go maxif. Okay, there's an M in there. I'll go sumif. Okay, we're close, and I happen to know it is sum squared. Okay, there we go. I'd like to see how you get on, Bill. Over to you.